Hello, YouTube, Sushan Mario 101 here. I'm gonna be back. It's good, and I got a new laptop with a new webcam, which is way better quality, and I can do so much more stuff now. Like, let's see. Bunny ears. Oh, bunny ears. Yeah, isn't that nice? Bunny ears. Who doesn't love bunny ears? You know, bunny ears. But I can do more. First, I'm gonna erase this. I can give myself a hat. Kaboom! I'm a policeman. Anyway, I've recently come of being into a fan of Doctor Who, and it's a good show. So I ordered something from the show. 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. It's very nice. It extends. Although according to everyone, this one feels a lot more toy-like than the 11. The packaging is a bit weird because if you notice, Matt Smith is on it for no apparent reason, along with Dave Tennant. So I don't know why Matt Smith is on there. I remember thinking it's something. And I love Dave Tennant, he's the best actor, but I don't want him to come back because I don't think he's ruined it. And one question to ask for anyone who does watch the show: are you my mommy? Oh, that was funny, wasn't it? Yeah, if you watch the show, you get it. Also, this is also a pen and like a UV black light marker. It's kind of stuck because I put it on there pretty tight, so it won't come off anymore. But I will show you what it looks like. It's backwards on here, but you can kind of see it. Plus it's bright, so you can't see it that well. But yeah, so I have a new laptop, which I might record a bit. I have lots of videos that need to get on the internet, so I'm going to cut this short. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a little while. Oh, and if you don't know what the Sonic Screwdriver is, it basically does everything. Like, it can do this.
I'll do this with my hands.
It can do this. Finally, it can do this. Yep, alright, so see you later.